Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a DIY on how to clean the bugs off of your motorhome. What I'm using is, this Quik Detailer by MuGuires and this orange microfiber cloth. I'm going to be cleaning the bugs off this motorhome, and then I'm going to be reviewing it, and we're going to see how does this perform. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Again, welcome back to another video. My name is Matt from Matt's RV Reviews. This is the world's only channel that gives you a true unbiased review about everything when it comes to RVs. So if you find reviews like this useful, consider subscribing. Again, what I'm doing is I'm going to clean this motorhome. I'm going to clean this right side first, then the left side. And do me a huge favor. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, because YouTube's new algorithm, the more thumbs up, the better this video performs. So let me go over the instructions real quick on this. Again, this is the Quik Detailer. You spray it on like this. You spread quickly, and then you turn your microfiber cloth, turn it over and wipe dry. So, I've never done this before, so if I can do this, you can do this. And if I mess up, it's only on a $200,000 motorhome. All right. Actually, for the first one, sorry folks. We'll do this first one up close so we can see it. Right, and right off. Now, it's not working super well. I know that's not what I'm supposed to be saying, but these little bugs, they're kind of stuck on. So now that we saw a close-up, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to do the whole right side, and then we'll look at it once I'm all done. All right, I feel like I'm in the Karate Kid. Wax on, wax off. But let's see how this turned out at the halfway point. You can definitely tell the area that I did. It's still a little streaky, but overall it looks pretty good. So one thing I am having a little bit of difficulty with is we've waited a little too long to do this, and the bugs are really sticking on there. So you want to, when you do this, you want to kind of do it when it's all fresh and everything. But let me finish up the whole thing. Yeah, actually, look at this. Just check out how brutal these bugs are. I mean, you wipe and it's not coming off as easy. You know, you really gotta put your elbow into it. There you go. Oh, look at that. Look at that thing right there. That is funny. Nasty. God bless you. Oh, scared me, Will. Great, so that's it. That took me about 15 minutes to do. And yeah, that's the Quick Detailer by MuGuires. Now, if you want to purchase this, I do have a description in the link below. It is an Amazon affiliate link. I saw these for $12.99, and actually they were on sale for $8.27 or something like that. And I don't know how long they're going to stay, but you can purchase this and microfiber cloths down on Amazon, free with the next day shipping, down in the description below. But do me a huge favor, leave a comment in the description below. Let me know if you like videos like this, if you want to see me do other, I guess, experiments for stuff that I've never done. Because again, I've never applied this stuff or used it. Let me know if you like these how-to or DIY videos. But again, if you have any questions, you can send me an email. It is mattsrvreviews@gmail.com. And if you haven't already, click that circle button to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you next time.